Hi guys, welcome to Electronics in Life. If you like the content in the channel, subscribe to the channel and share it with your friends for the latest updates. Now, let's go into the video. Today I have created exciting project that is LED cube. The components used in this project: Arduino Nano, 9 shift resistors, IC numbers are 74HC595. These are 8 BC547 NPN transistors. These are connecting wires, 512 LEDs. This is 8x8 LED cube. For that, I have taken red LEDs of 512 LEDs, and we need 64 220 ohm resistors. That's it for the components. Now we'll check the working process. Now you can see the different LED patterns. We can put lot of designs like raindrop pattern, cube, whatever the design we can program according to our requirement. If you have any suggestions to say, you can comment in comment section and share, subscribe to the channel. Thank you for watching. Catch you in the next video.